Alright, Joe, it's your boy Al, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to try to explain this as easy as possible. It's kind of a long story. This will be part 2 to the first part. But without further ado, let me get into it. Alright, so as far as my build, this first, well, it was supposed to be one video. Alright, it was supposed to be one whole video, but I had to separate it in 2 parts because something very unexpected happened. So I had ordered 2 SKARs. One of them didn't come in the mail because of Amazon, or for whatever reason it was delayed. So I ran one SKAR on the RP 4500, which I already knew it was like too much power, so I didn't turn my amp up. But I ended up, I thought I blew the sub, but that's I'm gonna keep moving past that, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's going on. So I thought I blew the sub, but in actuality, I blew my box broke. It split in half, so I had to get a new box build. But before I knew that, I actually already ordered another sub because I thought I blew it. And then, so instead of me running 2, I have 3 subs. So I wasn't gonna sell it, so I'm running 3 subs as of right now, and you guys will see that in a minute. All right, so today I went ahead and I hit up my boy Mark. He is a dealer. I don't even know, like, he's a god. Like, he knows his stuff. So I went to him, got him to build me a box for 3 12's, and I'm gonna show y'all. I have like clips, pictures, whatever you want to call it, from us, like the process of us building it. I really didn't get a chance to like go in depth as to what he was thinking or how, like, what my plans were, because we were trying to focus on the actual build. But I'll let you guys see that. And that's hard. New box on the way. New box. I'll probably redo this. They do the trunk liner, take all that off. Ain't been one. That's hard. Just seeing it come together that fast. That shit just look crazy. Say that shit look crazy. Boosh. Tell you what, that shit would be heavy as a bitch with all 3 of them in there.
Yeah, it'll be way worse than yeah.
That other box was kind of ugly though with all them screws all over the goddamn thing. I ain't even care at the time. Yeah.
Man, that shit ready knocked.
You can sit the box back there and go hit the sub out.
Look at that shit. Go. The AERO port.
That's hard. And it's crazy, this thing way lighter. Like, way lighter. They said this box way lighter, bro. Sanding that hoe down. Yeah, that stain ready to look crazy as shit. Got a gray stain for it. Got my alarm. Hold on. Alarm's going on. That shit hard. Look at this shit, man. Got my 312 box done. 3 ZVX 12s. Extra battery on the side. Let me show y'all my amps in the back. I'm gonna be wrapping my box with like a black vinyl wrap. The gray is a stain, so I'm waiting for that to continue drying, and then I'm gonna put a clear coat on it. But this where your boy at, man. Now next I gotta get my doors done. I'll probably get a aftermarket.
40 days, 40 nights, trying to live up to the hype.
Pretty much it for this video. I will be doing more videos. There will be demo videos as far as that, and as far as my YouTube channel, all my gaming content will now be on Facebook gaming page. Y'all can check it out. It's Millionaire Al Gaming. I'll probably be live later on today. So as far as you guys seeing this video, I will be live tonight. And yeah, man, for everybody who sticking with your boy, just wait on it, man, because I got some more stuff coming, especially for my mids and highs. But yeah, man, your boy gone.